That intoxicating new car smell in 2026? It's actually the scent of your retirement going up in smoke. You think you just signed up for a $700 monthly payment, but what if I told you that shiny new EV is actually bleeding $4,900 from your bank account every single month? Stop scrolling, because what happens at the dealership is a financial black hole, and today we're exposing the trap. Everyone assumes a car's cost is just the loan or sticker. Massive mistake. It's the base price plus hefty interest, insurance rates that have skyrocketed post-2020, fuel costs that surge with every global hiccup, upkeep that rams sub post-warranty, tags and fees that never quit, and the killer, opportunity cost of cash tied up in a depreciating machine. By 2026, these hits are fiercer, fueled by lingering inflation, chip shortages, and EV transitions jacking up parts prices. In minutes, I'll reveal the hidden total that crushes budgets. But first, subscribe if this vibes. Minty Mastermind drops fresh insights weekly to shield your wallet. The quick rule? Multiply your monthly payment by 7 for the full monthly drain, including all extras. A $700 payment? You're likely hemorrhaging $4,900 monthly across the board. Not lumped, but persistent. Coverage, charging for EVs, tweaks, and value evaporation overnight. For straightforward finance formulas that swap stress for strategy, join Minty Mastermind. Hit subscribe and bell. Next up, credit card traps exposed. Let's model a 2026 new car scenario. You spot a mid-tier electric vehicle, EV, efficient, eco-friendly, sticker price $45,000. Dealers sweet talks you to $700 monthly over 72 months at 7.5% interest, rates still elevated. You zoom off feeling eco-smart and budget-savvy. Reality check? 6 years rack up $50,400 in payments, $5,400 interest alone. Insurance on a new EV in 2026 averages $2,600 yearly due to battery repair costs and tech vulnerabilities, $15,600 total. Charging/fuel? At 12,000 miles a year, 4 miles per kilowatt hour efficiency, 15 cents per kilowatt hour average, home plus public, it's $450 a year. Wait, no, recalculate properly. Actually, 12,000 miles divided by 4 miles per kilowatt hour equals 3,000 kilowatt hours per year, at 15 cents per kilowatt hour equals $450 a year? Hold on, EVs are cheaper to fuel, but let's amp it. Real averages hit $600 to $800 per year, with variable rates, say $720 per year for conservatism, $4,320 over 6. Maintenance? EVs skip oil changes, but batteries and software updates average $1,000 a year, $6,000. Registration? EVs often get rebates, but still $450 per year, $2,700. Sum? $50,400 plus $15,600 plus $4,320 plus $6,000 plus $2,700 equals $79,020 over 6. Resale? Maybe $20,000 if batteries hold. Net spend? $59,020. Annual? $9,837. Monthly true cost? $8,220. You aimed for $700. It's $820 stealthily. This resonating? Like it up and comment your EV ownership tales. Subscribe to Minty Mastermind for more myth posting. The missed angle, that $82 per month invested at 8% in an index fund, 6 years, roughly $72,000. Not a battery-draining ride. Compounding cash. The EV didn't cost $45,000. It stole $72,000 in growth potential. Smarter alternative? Grab a 3-year-old certified pre-owned EV, same model. Price? $28,000. Prior owner absorbed the big depreciation drop. Finance 48 months at 6.8%, $660 per month. 4 years, payments $31,680, interest $3,680, insurance $1,900 per year, used perks $7,600 total, charging same $720 per year, $2,880,
Maintenance, slightly higher at $1,400 per year, $5,600. Registration, $450 per year, $1,800. Sum, $31,680 plus $7,600 plus $2,880 plus $5,600 plus $1,800 equals $49,560. Resale, $15,000. Net, $34,560. Annual, $8,640. Monthly, $720. $100 monthly savings versus new. Bonus, payment free after 4 years. Years 5 and 6, $400 monthly ongoing. Insurance, charging, minor fixes. Invest $420 difference monthly at 8%. 2 years, $11,000. Plus 4-year $100 monthly savings invested, $5,000 more. Total win, over $16,000 by choosing used. Extra insight, in 2026, with off-lease EVs flooding markets, used prices dip harder. Snag deals under $25K for similar models, amplifying savings. Digging this? Like, subscribe to Minty Mastermind, and comment EV or gas, your choice. Boldest play? Delay buying. Invest in your current ride's repairs, say $2,500 for EV-compatible upgrades or basics to last 2 years. No payment, just ongoing costs. Stash $700 monthly at 8%. 2 years, $18,000. Skip new EV insurance premium hikes, save $1,500 more. Now $19,500 cash for an outright used EV buy. No debt, lower premiums, zero opportunity bleed. Add this, factor resale taxes. Some states ding new buys harder, saving you $1,000 plus on used. The snare? Dealers fixate on monthly figures, extending to 84 months for affordability. You buy in, but it's bonus interest, thousands, prolonged full coverage mandates, and extended depreciation drag. That easy payment, a wealth-eroding mirage. Counter, skip monthly, demand lifetime ownership total. Dealers blank, exit. DIY with tools like TrueCar or EV-specific calculators, under 5 minutes, including battery degradation estimates. 4 levers to dominance. 1. Used at 3 years, 35 to 45% cost cut, often with factory battery warranty intact. 2. Extend ownership to 12 years, extra 6 beyond typical, bank $600 to $800 per month, compounding to $40,000 to $50,000. 3. Car Light Life. Apps like Uber, e-bikes for commutes, free $900 to $1,200 per month. 10 years invested, $200,000 plus. 4. New twist. DIY repairs via online tutorials. 2026 sees YouTube mechanics booming, saving 50% on shop bills for basics like brake pads or software resets. Fresh point, in 2026, Americans are extending vehicle lifespans to record 12.5 years average, fueling a $150 billion aftermarket repair boom. Example, families swapping pricey new EVs for refurbished batteries in older models, costs $5,000 versus $20,000 new, slashing monthly outlays by 40% while dodging supply shortages. It's turning rust into resilience, with over-the-air updates keeping tech fresh without full replacements. This week, Minty Mastermind Challenge, tally your ride's real monthly. Insurance plus fuel plus fixes plus fees divided by 12. Shocking? Like if it was. Pin your independence goal. $1.2 million nest egg? Choose shiny EV now or $72,000 boost in 6. It's empowerment, not denial. If upgrading's non-negotiable, spreadsheet new, used, or repair paths first. 2026 Auto Truths. Prices elevated 20% from 2021. Rates 7 to 9%. Insurance of 50% in theft-prone areas. Electricity rates climbing with grid demands. EVs save on gas, but upfront in repairs bite. Treat cars as tools, not treasures. Decade-long, folks dump $50,000 to $70,000 on vehicles, left with scraps. Redirect 60%, $250,000 to $350,000 retirement extra. Time compounds. Today's spend skips decades of multiplication. Recap: sticker deceives. True hit: 7-fold payment. Used trims 35 to 45%. Longer hold yields $40,000 to $50,000. Spared bucks quadruple by golden years. Fired up? Like, subscribe to Minty Mastermind, comment key insight. Next, subscription services, hidden wealth thieves. Master your mint together.